Welcome back to Creating a Canvas course. This is episode 4, Polish and Publish. So one thing I want to do first is go into English 9. And I don't love this image. Going into my module, after creating this assignment, I really like this resilience theme. So I'm going to change a few things to kind of build some consistency with my course. You may or may not decide to do something like this, but after you've kind of started designing your course, you may want to change a few things, and I do. I want to use a similar image to this resilience image here for my course thumbnail. I'm also going to minimize my screen because I already have the image I want to use right here. And I'm going to make that my thumbnail. All right, so first of all, remember to change our thumbnail. We just say choose image. And I'm just going to drop this image here from the desktop. It's just a screenshot of a Google slide. So I've changed my thumbnail. I also want to change the course code so that it's not the same exact name. Maybe I do something like English 101. That's fine. And just update course details. So now if you look at the dashboard, I like this one better. All right. I like this resilience theme for the English 9 course. Maybe I choose to do that. So let's go back into the course. And the next thing I want to do is, I don't like my home page. So one thing I'm going to do is we're going to put a banner on it, and we're also going to make this an embedded Google slide so that students can actually click on it to get to where they need to go. So one thing I'm going to do, we want to go to this slide. Okay, so resilience, a storytelling journey, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. Think of these as module 1, module 2, module 3. Now right now we only have the first module. So let me go back to that course and go to modules. All right, all I need to do is get the URL for this page. So I'm simply just going to copy this link, all right, this URL. I'm going to go to the slide that I want to embed on the Canvas homepage. So what we want to do here is highlight episode 1, or think of it as module 1, and we're going to go to insert link, and we're just going to copy that URL and click apply. I don't like how it changes it to this aqua color, so I'm just going to go back to the text and turn it back to white. All right, then the other thing I want to make sure of is that this slide is published to the web, and hit embed. I like the medium size, and all you have to do is highlight or simply copy this code. All right, so we've copied the code, right? We're going to go back to the course, go back to the home page, and I don't like this, so I'm just going to edit it. Go to the HTML editor right here, click on it, and I'm just going to delete this and paste that here. So now, if I hit save, I have embedded the Google slide I have created that has a link to the episode. I think that is a much better homepage than the one we had before. We're just doing a little bit of polish. I also think it needs a banner. So I'm going to go to my Canvas code, and I'm going to go to that generic code right here, copy it, go back to my course, hit edit, and I need to hit HTML editor, make a space for that banner, and paste it. Now while I'm here, I know that this will be green, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to a blue banner using the code here by copying it, then changing the green color to the blue color, and I'm also going to change the word generic to maybe just resilience. Click on the episodes for access and hit save. There we go. So our welcome page now is very clear. Resilience. Click on the episode for access. The students can click on episode 1 to get access to the module. You would just go through the same thing. The nice thing to link the other episodes when they're available. The nice thing about this, all you have to do to change this, you have to do nothing here in Canvas. All you have to do is go to the Google slide you're on, and this can be edited here. All right. Let's say you wanted to link the next episode. Let's just pretend we have a link for that. We're going to go to Insert Link. Let's just use the same. Oops. We'll just use the same one we did before. So modules, once again, we can just go to test discussion and copy this link. Go back to the resilience slide, paste that link or that URL here, change the color back to white because it's a preference of mine, and we're good. Now when we go to the course and go back to the home page, we should have 2 links now. Now this particular link is going to take us to the discussion, but generally in your course outline you would just get the link for the second module. All right, so just to show you in the student view, here's the home page. This is where they go right away when they enter the course, and they have access to the modules here simply by clicking, and they still can access the modules through this one button here. It's very simple. It gets them to the exact place they need to go to complete the assignments, the discussion, and the quiz. I'm going to leave student view and move on to publishing the course. Publishing the course, if we go home, you'll notice right now the course is published. You might have this. If you see this red unpublished course status, your course is not published. The students cannot have access to it. So you need to make sure that it is published by simply going home and clicking publish. Then you also need to go into the modules and make sure the module is published. Let's say you wanted to give the students access to the assignment and the discussion, but not yet the quiz. Simply unpublish the quiz. If you see this icon right here, that means it is unpublished. Oftentimes you'll hear a student talking about how they don't have access, they can't find the assignment you're looking for. Most of the time, it's simply because it's not published. If you want to unpublish the entire module, simply click the module and everything in the module will no longer be available, even if you still see these green check marks. All right. If you want to publish the module, simply click publish and make sure everything you want published has that green circle with the white check mark. So we've polished the course. The home page looks pretty good. The students have easy access to where they need to go right here from the home page. They can get to the modules and the assignments. this concludes episode 4.